Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover how you can check your site is ready for AI agents to serve your content of your website. So, without any further ado, let's dive into it. I'm going to open my browser and it agentready.com. This is the site and it is by Cloudflare, which help you check your website readiness for the AI agents or the AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, all sort of AI. So you just need to enter your URL. Let's say I want to check for one of our platform, hostelis.com. There you go. It clearly shows you the complete result. Like first it says result for hostelis.com. Okay, and then discoverability, content, what access control, API, auth, MCP skill, and discovery. So it will give you a score and it will also show you how you can improve the score. Like what are the things that for the discoverable your site, you need to robots.txt which exists on this site. Sitemap, it also exists. And link header is missing. DNS for AI discovery. And it also give you the prompt which you can copy and provide your AI agents to fix this for you. You can clearly see all kind of error and how to fix them is there. This was very short video where we just show you one of the site. Its name is it AI agentready.com. Okay, sorry. Is it agentready.com? You just need to enter your website and it will scan and check it for you. Take some time to analyze your sites and then it will show you the score. Okay, there you go. You have the complete like analysis data. Now you can use this to fix your site to make it completely ready for AI agents. And it depends on what you want to serve by AI agent. Like if your website has some product and services and you want your product and services to be recommended by AI, whenever someone search on ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity AI. So this will help you to uh, show up where your audience are. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.